Hi, I'm Rainey with Finance Strategists. In this lesson, we're going to cover
the cost of goods sold is the total cost of materials, labor, and other things that are variable based on the amount of product or service the company makes. These expenses stand in contrast with fixed expenses that will be incurred whether or not a unit is produced, such as the cost of a facility. Here are some examples of the types of variable costs included in the cost of goods sold: hourly labor, materials for production, equipment used in production, packaging, sales commissions, transaction fees on customer payments, including credit card fees, shipping and fulfillment. Various other costs and expenses can be included if they are variable and directly related to the company's output of products and services. When all these variable costs are added up, the total amount is the cost of goods sold, or cost of revenue, which is used to calculate gross profit.
For more information, visit www.financestrategists.com. Finance Strategists, strategies for your future.